Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm excited about my good news I have for the budgeting community. So if this is your first time visiting me, I am Mrs Vee and I am a cash stuffer and I am consumer. My husband and I are consumer debt free, and I use the cash envelope system to spend a portion of our spending money. So I joined what is it called? The budgeting community back in May. I think that was when I uploaded my first video. But I started my channel years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, to share information that I know. You know, I do a lot of do-it-yourself projects and anything that saves you money. That's why my channel is called Saving with Mrs Vee. I used to be a big couponer, but I've since transitioned from couponing so much. I still coupon for items I really need, but I do not do the stockpiling like a lot of couponers do. But since I've joined the budgeting community, I have fell in love with the budgeting community because everyone is so supportive and everyone's journey is so different. So it's interesting to see different people budget. But I do realize that finances and money is a taboo subject in a lot of families. And so with that brings a lot of stress because, I mean, money is essential for living, but a lot of us do not have enough of it, or at least we don't feel like we have enough of it. Therefore, we budget to tell our money where to go. And so that's what this video is about. I want to lighten the mood. I am going to start what's called game night on my channel. I don't have the specifics, but I just wanted to announce it so you can get ready. And the reason why I'm going to do game night is because myself as a budgeter, I try to stay stress-free as I can, but let's just be honest, you get stressed out sometimes when you're not able to save the amount that you thought you would be able to save, and and then things come up. And I decided to start game night to kind of lighten the mood. So to kind of get your mind off, sinking funds. Well, not to get your mind off of it because the game is going to be about sinking funds and, cash stuffing, but to kind of get your mind off your situation. So I wanted to incorporate something fun on my channel because I want you to enjoy the journey, because that's what it is. It's a journey. This is not something that's going to happen overnight. You getting out of debt or you saving up for that special event or special project that you saving up for. So I just decided to come up with a game night. I was at work one day and I just came up with different ideas. So it's going to be different games. I'm trying to keep it fun. I thought about going live, but I really don't like to go live because I really don't have control. Because when you go live, something might happen and you have to come off. So I think I'm going to do it I might try the Premiere tab here on YouTube. I got to do some more research. I've never done the Premiere. Or either I'm just going to do it in a video form. But I'm going to try to do it, where it's really fun. So, so everybody can kind of relax, get your mind off your situation at that moment. So you just come on over to Miss V channel and de-stress. So that's what we're going to do. The next video, I have more details like what night. I'm going to try to do it twice a month. I know for a fact. At least twice a month. And I'll, like have a date like every 15th and every 30th or something like that, or every other Tuesday. I hadn't figured that part out because the way I work is, that's going to be a factor. So with that being said, let's start what's called budgeting trivia. Yay! I'm going to have all kind of prizes and things. I'm not going to have prizes every time because I don't want that to be the reason why people come. But when my budget allows, I will have prizes. I'm going to mostly have cash prizes because that's what everyone needs. Duh, we budgeting. So make sure you have Cash App. If you don't have Cash App, I have a link in my description box. Go ahead and download it. You'll get $5 for downloading, and I'll get $5 for referring you. Or if you don't like Cash App, try Venmo. I like Venmo also. Only thing about Venmo is that I don't like is that everyone can see who you sent money to, and you can go in your settings and click that privacy button, and they won't see who you send money to or who sends you money. So those are the main two ways. Well, I will also do PayPal. So those are the three ways that you would get your cash prize when you win. Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal. So make sure you have one of those. And let me know on this video which one you have. You know, so I can kind of know. So let's go ahead and start a little trial game night. I'm going to call this budgeting trivia. So the first question is, okay, let's go ahead and do some trial game questions. So this is called budgeting trivia. Number 1, what rhymes with mash, M-A-S-H, and come in different denominations? Let me know in the comment section. Number 2, what is the name of the system that most budgeters use to save money? Let me know in the comment section. And a bonus, you get a bonus on this trivia. How many binders does Mrs Vee have? So that's it. That's a portion of what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing all kind of games that pertain to budgeting and just life. And I just wanted to lighten up the load. So thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to let me know if you have Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal. And I'll see you in the comment section. And I'll see you on the next game night. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need, so you can get some of the things you want. Oh, while I'm on this video, shout out. I'm going to go ahead and give a shout out to Saving My Coins Budget. Guys, go over and show her some love. She had a situation where she had to deplete a lot of her sinking funds. And I had a situation where I had to do something similar, so I can, so I understand her feelings. But her feelings are, her situation a little different than mine, but I still had to deplete some sinking funds. So if you're not following Saving My Coins Budgets, go over and follow her and tell her Mrs Vee sends you some love, sends her love, and go over and show her some love and give her some encouraging words, because we all need it. None of us are so strong that we never need encouraging. So that's what I love about this community. So I'm depending on you guys to go over and flood her with some love. So yeah, Saving My Coins Budget. I'll have her link in the description box. So yeah, y'all come back for game night. What is today? I'm going to put this up Monday, August the 16th. So I'm working on a new game. I got it right here written on my paper. This is going to be a good one. So I'll probably see you next week. Yeah. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee again. I'm going to continue to show you love. Let me show you some love. Ooh, that's an ugly heart. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need, so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day. Don't mind my hair. It's transition. I'm transitioning. I'm trying to lock my hair. So you're going to see all kind of wraps and caps and things until I get ready to expose.